least we can hear it a little bit.
Yeah.
For normal roads, it's a really fast car.
It is.
Yeah, it is. It absolutely is. And welcome to the G Experience Center. You know the place already. We changed a little bit since you've been here. We have a new model. A few things changed, but the G-Class still remains as it should be. I think you can still notice it when you step outside.
Okay.
Also ich glaube, du warst vorher schon sehr gut Autofahrer, aber da waren jetzt noch ein paar kleine Einzelheiten dabei, du setzt es sofort um. Also here, Alexander, just a little bit of time and the reaction. But the thing is, if you have the moment again where you slide a little bit longer like this, maybe use your accelerator a little bit. Not kick down, but play with it a little bit, as you put the car straight again.
Good. So let's have a ride. The 3 stations, just in a short way to recognize once again well what we have done all day. So first of all, 60% of increase will go up here, and everything which gets up has to get down. And up the 70% Perpignan. Once again, turn around without any G steering, just with gas, I think. It's much more easy. Then we can continue. Okay. So that was the station of the G rock, sorry. Now let's go to the forest. Was a fasan.
Yes.
And the next one. So the third car has to get cleaned again, I think. Yeah, what was the onward station? It's the third one. Was it good?
Yeah,
What was the skid plate?
it's nice.
Nice. So I would say it's really boring, the skid plate. So let's do some slalom. Slalom is always a beautiful thing. You did it today with the G580 as well.
Yes.
And last but not least, we will do a lap here with the G-turn, if it works. Sorry, it was my fault. Once again, we have the view, an overview to our whole area, and let's go back. Yeah, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.